I'm planning to install a trailer hitch on my Honda CRV. The first step is to lower the exhaust to gain access to the weld nuts located above the exhaust. As you can see, the exhaust is held in place by the exhaust hanger and the rubber isolator. However, the metal rods are quite rusted due to my car being parked outside for several years. To address this, I am using a WD-40 lubricant. At first, I tried to use pliers to remove the rubber isolator, but was unsuccessful. Instead, I slid a small flathead screwdriver through the isolator from one side, and now I am using a pry bar to remove it. So I used different tools, pliers, pry bar, WD lubricant, and none of them worked. So I ordered this tool from Amazon. This plier is specifically designed for removing rubber isolators from the exhaust hangers. This is after I removed the isolator from the top hanger. Another shot that shows the isolator is removed from the top rod. I successfully removed both rubber isolators from the hangers. I removed the left side from the top hanger and the right side from the bottom hanger.